You got Monsters Inc. You see that? You like it? Is it scary? You got Monsters Inc. What's next, Pumpkins? Ooh, this one's to Lucas from Daddy. What did you get? What's in here? I don't even know. Oh, Pumpkin. You got a new fancy bathtub. You have a new fancy bathtub. You like it? Are you even looking at it? Okay, this one feels like clothes. What did you get here? Oh, I know what this one is. Shoot, this will probably fit you now, Chunky. You like it? You just want to eat it, huh? Well, this is a 6-monther. This will fit him now. That outfit I put on him yesterday was a 6-monther. What do you got here?
Looking at it.
Can you help Mommy with the paper? Probably not. You probably just want to eat it, huh? Oh, this one was to Mommy and Daddy. Mommy grabbed the wrong one. That one was for Mommy and Daddy. Oopsie. This one's to Lucas and Dad and Mom. Ooh, some cute little shorts for the summer, Pumpkin. Let's see. They're not shorts yet. Bless you. They look like dresses right now, huh? We gotta grow your legs a little. Yeah? Bless you, Pumpkin. Are you drooly? What do we have next? This is to Lucas for Mommy and Daddy. You want it, don't you? You want to open it? He's ripping paper staring. Look at this, Pumpkins. Look at that. It's got a mirror and it's got your little froggy guy, you know. Little turtle. You like that? Let me put that on your car seat for you. Yeah? You seem excited. Alright, Pumpkin.